Hey folks, I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna be unboxing the new shoes that I got from Asics. I ordered it from Flipkart. So here it is. So let's get into unboxing and then I'll tell you how it actually is. So let's get into it. So let's unbox the shoes. This was not an open box delivery. Usually the shoes from Flipkart are open box, but this was not, as this was not delivered by e-cart. This was delivered by shadow packs. So these are white shoes. Okay, so this is the first look of the shoes that I ordered. So the MRP here written is, I'm sure it would be very high. It's written 6,999, but I got it for some 3,200 rupees, which is not bad. I wanted a daily wear shoes, so this is a sort of sports shoes, and I hope it works the way I want it to. So let's put the laces on. By the way, this is a size 10 UK India shoe. So let's take out another one. So this is the tag that they give. You don't have to remove it if you have ordered it from Flipkart, otherwise they won't consider a return. So make sure you don't remove this. I'm not removing this because I want to wear it once, and then once I get to know that if it's very good in feel and wear, then I'll keep it, otherwise I'll return it. I hope I don't have to return this, to be honest, because I've already returned like 2 shoes. They were not good like sneakers. So yeah. So this is how the shoes look. I think the shoes looks very good. I think the camera is doing the justice. It does look good. It does look as good as it is looking in the camera. So let's put on the shoes and then we'll get to know. From the first impressions, the shoes are very light, which is really good because I want to use it as a daily wear shoes, and I think I am good with the fit and the weight of the shoes. The weight of the shoes is not very much, so it's not an issue. So let's put the shoes. Yeah. Okay. Let me hold on the camera. So this is how the shoes look. The shoes look really good and are actually very comfortable, to be honest. And the sole is very good. And okay, so let's do a walking test so that we can better understand it. Please ignore the mess that you see, but yeah. So yeah, these shoes is very comfortable, and I think it's really good. I think I can wear it daily. I have basically taken it for my office purpose, and I hope it will use that better. So yeah, I think the shoes look really good, and the shoe does look good and fits properly in your leg. My size is 10, I know it, and it does feel very good as well. Hey folks, so this is the shoes. So I think the shoes are really good. These are Asics Tiger Running shoes, casual 2. I'll put the link in the description. So this is the product image, if you can see. If you like the design, I would definitely suggest you to order it because it is very comfortable, and it's a running shoes. It's supposed to be comfortable. So I had a lot of skepticism. So that's why I put a video on YouTube, because I couldn't find one. So I hope you like the video, and I hope you like the shoes if you order one. These are very comfortable for 3,000s. I hope it's durable. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share in this video. Please like the video if you like the video, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching video. Thank you.